Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And we're here to answer the question of what does Max do in the off season? Okay, so we've had several people ask, what is Max doing in the off season to get ready for the upcoming season? Sportbiketracker.com, MotoAmerica Junior Cup.
Junior Cup, yeah.
And this is what we're doing. If you want to pan around a little bit, Lucas, we are riding snowmobiles again with the whole family. Go ahead, put Mike on there too. Spin around, yeah, it's my boy Mike Kinney back there. We ride with him too. So that's what we do in the winter, right? We go up and we ride in the woods here in Michigan. It's a great time. We do some riding in the Lower Peninsula, in the Cadillac, Baldwin area. We take one big trip up to the UP every February. What are we riding this year? What are Max and I riding? This is my new sled right here. This is the all new Lynx. They call it a Rave. I'm gonna call it a Rave because you know what? I'm not from Finland, man. I'm from America. R-A-V-E spells rave all day long. It's all taken apart. I'm putting a heated seat in it right now. I got some cool headlights that are a little bit brighter I'm putting on it. Super wicked, excited to ride it. So what are you riding, dude?
I ride a 2021 Ski-Doo MXZ XRS 850. It's right there. It's absolutely beautiful.
Let's clarify. Who does that belong to?
My dad.
You are what?
Welcome.
Oh, you're 100% welcome. You're lucky you're a good kid or you would not be riding my snowmobile. Mom's new one is on the way, right? We're still waiting on that.
Waiting on that.
Her old one was, how old was that?
It's
2012?
2012, so like 10 years old now.
11,000 miles on Mom's old sled?
Yep, not even a check engine light.
No, it's a great sled. Thing ran fantastic. This is Sophia's sled back here. Her tiny little Polaris Indy Evo, right? She put like 1,160 miles on that thing last year with her little stick arms riding that thing around. It was just a ton of fun. For us, the winter time is a time to spend with friends and family, right?
Yeah.
We all go up as a family, me, you, Mom, Sophia, my brother Kevin, my nephew Tyler. Tyler, who's been with us for 5 years, he's moving on now. He's turning 19. He's moving towards a career, right? I think he's gonna go work with his dad over at the HMS. These are their sleds right here. They got a couple of 850s that they ride on too. The winter time for us is just a fantastic time. You know, it's the competing in MotoAmerica is fun.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
It's a lot of fun.
Seeing friends, seeing family.
100%. But being able to chill out and just, you know, kind of be out there in the woods, riding around. We take big adventures, man. We do a lot of miles, ride for hours on end. You know, it's not uncommon to leave in the morning and then come back at midnight.
Yeah. So what we usually do, you know.
And in terms of training, right? What do you think riding the snowmobile brings to road racing?
It's kind of all about traction. That's basically it, you know, just the rear end sliding around. It kind of teaches you that. Because
there is no mechanical grip. Like when you're road racing, right, you've got your tire warmers, the slicks are hot, you've got all this grip in the corner. The bike moves around a little bit, but for the most part, it's pretty planted.
Yeah.
Right? The snowmobile is the exact opposite of
like
that.
If you come out of a corner and you pin it, you're just gonna go sideways.
But it's that moment too.
Yeah.
It's, you know, it's that moment when you decide to apply the throttle on the snowmobile is so important. You apply it too early, it destroys the entire exit, right? The machine's all over the place, destroys the exit. And that's where it does apply to road racing quite a bit.
Definitely.
It teaches you to have some patience and set up your exit correctly. Corner entry is interesting because it's always moving around quite a bit.
Yeah, most of the time.
And what I found with Max now in his road racing experience as it equates to snowmobiling, normally on snowmobiles, brake pads last almost forever. Well, they don't last almost forever for this guy because he's used to every corner entry is preceded by what?
Yeah, just a fistful of brakes.
Fistful of brakes because that's how you ride a race bike. I mean, you're hard and late on the brakes, and he rides the sled the same way. So what I've seen with him is the brake wear is much more than you would normally see.
A lot more.
Yeah, a lot more. So that is what we're doing in the off season. We're still in a holding pattern here, waiting for the big snow to come. We're hopeful that's going to happen soon.